Springs State Park. So dito ta mag-check-in.
Oh my goodness, it's not busy.
Yay!
Ang Florida Wildlife Corridor din siya. That's nice. It's along the corridor. That means we will be encountering wild.
Okay, musurbi usa ta dire kay it's our first time to come here. So kung wala pa mo nakabayad online, pwede ra pud ta dire mo bayad kay naa sila QR code. Okay? It says voted best swimming baratarong nga
And
dito.
snorkeling.
Uh-huh.
Oh my goodness. I got
The
my
swimming
snorkel.
hole, me too. Ta tanaw na to ilahang boardwalk. Gilak ni mong sakyanan. Free diving, swimming is prohibited.
Free diving. Okay. Okay, dyan. Okay.
Okay, so there's a lot of boardwalks and steps to go. Kira jud na. Okay, dili man kay ni. Oh, nanay nag-swimming dito si ate oh. Dili tanaw na to diri nga side. Okay. Una na do sa right. Ay, nakauna jud sila ate.
Is there other area? No.
Hmm. Wow.
Got it further down that looks the magnification.
Let's feel the water.
Babantay take ang mold.
I know. Slide, no? It's slippery when wet.
Yeah, that one's slippery.
I know. Yes.
The lower you go, the slipperier they are.
Oh, we can get pedicure here. There's that fish that eats your dead skin.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you just stay still for your feet, and then they start eating. Fish.
The sign said they do have restrooms in the back. Oh,
This side. It's just a viewing deck. Viewing deck ra siya. Oh, look at that. So pretty. It's still really early, so wala pa kay daghang tao. Okay, so mag-survey pa ta rin dapita. Yeah. 25 feet deep. Yeah, 25 feet deep. Ito mag-backstop ni ate eh. Diri, mukat-kat, musaka, kapadulong na ni siya sa picnic area. Wala. Ay, kuan ra. Ah, unya. Sige, after ani.
Tour of Madison.
Oh, Sige, sige. Oh, see? This is the picnic area. And I can see the, ano, para maibog sila. Yep, so this is their picnic area and there's more parking space there. Then, napod sila volleyball court. So here is that one going out sa entrance. Make more tour. Oh. So murag pwede pod ka mag-camping yata diri oh. Yeah. I think they cater camping here also. So daghan kay mga picnic tables. So mo nila hang kanuna sila porta potty. So mo to siya ang trail dito. If you wanna go hiking. Oh nice! That's right! They have a changing area. More parking space here. Area murag hiking trail po na siya.
For diving na ni. Gusto ka mag-diving.
Okay, so dito ka dapita. So lahi po di ay ang area sa magkuhan sa diving. So kung mag-dive ka, yeah, you have to fill up some forms here kung mag ano ka.
If you wanna dive,
Mhm.
date in, out, diver name, signature, certification.
I
Mark,
see.
thank you.
Okay. Go check it out. Oh, malapit lang pala.
Kaya lang bababa kang gano'n. Parang kagaya din ng isa. Kaya lang, ang liit lang niya. So, pwede ka mag-swim. It's very tiny.
Oh, very ano.
Ay, bababa ka na.
Okay.
Ayan na siya.
Ng ating diver.
Imagine
Like,
mo, paano ka
check
ba
siya.
dyan?
You just have to go down.
Oh, wow.
So sayang Bina, wala ka nakadalag gear nimo no?
Parang hindi ko na. Ay, nasa ilalong pa. Oh.
Okay, so okay ra pud di ay nga dinha mi nagpark. Right, really close jud sa kanang entrance. Kay ngano sa diri pila lang kalakang padung didto. Mao na to siya ang picnic area. Okay? So yes. Let's go swimming. Man nagsurvey ni Madam Bina ang area. Mobalhin na siya og park dito sa duol-duol. Gani.
Pinasim. You can do it, Helen. Come on. Wala na ko ganito. Wala tigibyan. isda oh.